I know that you are having a hard time right now.
Okay, what is up, you guys? Today is actually not the day after Christmas. It's actually Sunday, 2 days after Christmas. You know, Christmas takes a lot out of us. Anyway, so today on the agenda is a lot of, you know, cleaning, picking up. I did do a lot of picking up yesterday, yeah. But then looking at my house, this morning, you would never even know it because Little Miss has been playing up a storm. Have you been playing up a storm with all your Christmas presents? Yeah. I hope you guys all had an amazing Christmas. Sydney and I did. I didn't vlog or work. I did.
I got a fucking letter from Santa.
Santa gave her this. Is this exactly what you asked for? She's.
I love it. I really love it. And Mama got me my Anna dress.
And yeah, Mama got her an Anna dress.
And I like so much because I like my Anna dress and all kinds of guys.
I'm gonna take the picking up and organizing process pretty slowly. You know, not stress myself out about it. We might pop over to Target, see what they have for bins. You know, I feel like after Christmas, everyone runs to get organizing things. But yeah, that's what we are doing today. I am currently ice rolling. My mom got me this for Christmas. So excited about this. I mean, hopefully it helps with the bag situation.
That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you.
So I'm kind of taking the slow and steady approach to picking up my house after Christmas. I'm really exhausted, I'm not gonna lie. I'm going to bed late, you know, a lot of festivities and travel and whatnot. So yeah, I'm just really taking the slow and steady approach to picking up after Christmas. And I will be doing an undecorate with me probably maybe the next video or so. Just kind of slowly wanted to take things down and have some more space and whatnot. So focusing on picking up a lot of the toys. And again, believe it or not, I did pick up yesterday as well. So I've decided I'm finally going to figure out what I'm doing with this entryway. And I think this coat situation is just out of hand. You can't even like open the door all the way because there are just so many. We have all kinds of different leather coats because here in Maine, you never know what you're gonna get. But I'm gonna put them in this closet. This closet, I don't know if I've ever even shown you guys. This is like where I store, well, I have like my bottles, recycling bottles, my brooms and mop and, you know, vacuum and whatnot. So I don't think I've ever shown you. It's not organized whatsoever, but I think I'm gonna finally try to move the coats. Instead of having it right here, it's so cluttered when you enter the house. I wanna pop them in here. Now, I have ordered something to organize this closet with, and that will be here in a few days. And then I'm gonna do a totally separate video when it comes to organizing, but for right now, I'm just kind of like, I don't know, picking up, decluttering like just a little bit, and then we'll organize at another date. Oh, thank you. don't know why I've never thought to put my coats in here. Already, how much more open does this look? So anyway, so I'm gonna be replacing that and getting a new one. So right now I just have my purse and then a couple of masks hanging there. And then I'm probably going to move some of my shoes or our shoes maybe into here. I don't know, you guys, I don't know. Do you wanna see this? This is just a hot mess express. So I finally put these in here and then I will be going through and organizing this closet at some point. It's just, I don't know, it's just like a messy closet. I'm sure everyone has a messy closet, right? So I have some recycling here. This is my hardwood floor mop. And then, you know, I got like, I don't know, my crock pot in there, some trash bags and dusters and emergency flashlight and I don't know. I'll get to this. Don't use that and don't use that. So those can totally go to Goodwill. But so happy to have my coats in here. This little pile has just become a collect-all for Sydney's, you know, arts and crafts, preschool things, and then she did get, of course, some new things for Christmas for arts and crafts. And this has just been a collect-all, so I wanted to go ahead and take care of this section and move my printer and her art supplies into the playroom and just kind of get it swept up and dusted. Eventually I'm gonna put, I don't know if I'm gonna just donate this or put it in Sydney's like bedroom, I don't know, but we don't have a whole lot of purpose for this anymore. She does have her table in her playroom and she used to eat all her meals here and do like arts and crafts, but now she kind of does them at the big table. What, honey? Anyway, and then, but when her friends do come over, or, you know, pre-pandemic when we actually had friends over a lot, they would eat lunch here. But I don't know, it's just a cheapo table. It served its purpose, but it really doesn't need to be in our living room anymore, so I'm just deciding where to put it.
Can I try some of this? Can I try some of that going over?
That's just on my honey.
Why are you going to cut yours? I mean, not me. Here come. Mama. I love you.
I love you, honey. So Sydney obviously wants to play with all of her new Christmas toys. And this one is like a, I don't know, pet wash. You color your pets however you want, and then you can wash them here in this tub. Okay. Why do you look so grown up? You're turning 4 years old and you're just so grown up. Oh, also she dressed herself today. Did you pick out your own outfit? Yeah.
I'm going to be so happy.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. Hopefully you can't hear my car. My car is like rattling because it's raining out. Played outside with a friend for a little bit, and Sydney played with a bunch of her presents, and you know, I got ready for the day and whatnot. And now here we are, it's the afternoon, and I did want to just go get out of the house and see what I can find for, I don't know, some organizational things. I have placed an order on Amazon because I feel like Amazon often has cheaper things. Like, I don't know, I always price compare. And I grabbed some things from Amazon, which will be on their way in a few days. I'm really excited for organizing. I'm excited, you know? I feel like it's after Christmas and then Sydney's birthday is soon. I get so motivated. Yeah, I get so motivated to just get my house in gear. So we got home and Sydney has a letter from the North Pole, it looks like. Come here. open it. Okay, get in there and open it. Dear Sydney, thank you for your letter with all the beautiful stickers. The elves have been really busy in the workshop working to get all the Christmas wishes.
Can you put tape on it so Dad can hear it somewhere?
You want to hang it somewhere?
Uh-huh.
Where do you want to hang it? I can't believe Santa wrote
I want to hang it somewhere that someone can see it.
Do you feel like a special girl? I can't believe Santa Claus wrote you a letter.
And I want you too. So much.
Anyway, so we just ran to Target real quick, and I had to grab, you know, a couple of necessities and whatnot. So I did pick up a couple of bins for organizing. I'm not gonna get like crazy organizing in this video, but I did want to get some bins to go in Sydney's playroom for her art supplies, since she has so many more art supplies now that she's getting older. I'm gonna have to figure out how to organize them, but I figured we could do like craft paper, markers, paints, and whatnot in here. And I'm just gonna kind of throw them in here and then figure out what, like maybe a better system at some other point. But for right now, I figured 3 like low profile bins would fit perfectly on her top shelf. Yep, that's fine. I'll come help you if she wants to play with more toys. Here, I'll come show you what I'm talking about. Eventually, I'm going to tackle Sydney's playroom. So it used to be an organized thing, and then over the past few days, I've just shoved things. So like I shoved all of the, this closet, it looks so bad. There is a rhyme or reason. I just need to straighten it out so that it looks better. But I had all of her like preschool stuff right here that I need to do something else with. And then just a lot of little baskets that maybe aren't as used for this space. We need the bigger baskets. I will definitely use these baskets for other purposes. And then this shelf right here with those little bins, I'm probably gonna replace those bins with the ones that I got today from Target. I just figured, you know, they're bigger, but they're still low profile, so they'll fit underneath here pretty well. They only had 3, otherwise I would have gotten 4. Anyway, and we'll still use these for other purposes, maybe in her bedroom and whatnot, but that's what I plan on doing. And then eventually I am gonna go through all of this stuff. By eventually, I mean probably just within the next like 2 weeks, week or so, and just go through and reorganize all of this stuff. But over the past few days, I've just shoved some of her new toys in here and games that we've played with. All right, Sydney wants to play with, she got like a stamp kit. So Sydney wants to play with that. She's been playing with all of her, it's sticky. She's been playing with all of her new toys this morning. And then she also played with, I'll open that for you in just a second. Okay, she also played with these. These were so cute, they're foam paints. So again, she's just getting way more into the arts and crafts thing, and she has a whole lot more supplies. Okay, that is cute.
I found it, but I couldn't find it.
Okay.
Is it you?
Yeah. So now you're gonna find the U and stamp it.
I'm blue.
And then you gotta stamp it so that the U is facing the correct way. Okay, so U looks like this. So now you stamp the square next to the U. Go ahead. Good job. Lift it up. Good job!
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never
I have all of her like dot markers, the foam paints, some other paints she got for Christmas. I've got crayons, watercolor paints in here, markers, colored pencils, and whatnot. Now she does have, actually this is pretty much it. She does have maybe like a couple more things to paint.
Dot markers.
I know you have two different sets of dot markers. We have different colors. And then over here, I think eventually I will trade it out because this is half preschool books, half like coloring and painting books. So I think I might, you know, separate those eventually. But, and then I got to figure out what I'm doing with this situation. It's all of her preschool like arts and crafts stuff, like felt. I think the felt and construction paper, I have the other bin, are gonna go in the third bin here.
Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you
I actually really like the way that this looks. I think I'm gonna grab 2 more of these bins if I can find them. And then that way it will fill in the top here. And I think that's gonna look so good. And, oh, Sydney's turning on the closet light. So I think maybe I won't get nitpicky with organizing these. I have her dot markers here. I ended up putting the foam paints in the box because I still had the box, but we will see what I do. She has her colored pencils, markers, crayons, and whatnot in there. And then all kinds of like papers, construction papers and whatnot, her googly eyes. She did just get the stamp set, so I put that in there. And then this one has all of her preschool books and coloring books alike, and some preschool like sheets that I had. Oh my god, she's going crazy. Anyway, I think I'm gonna grab 2 more of those and just have them fill in those spots.
I have so much tweaks in the house.
Yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is where I'm gonna cut the video, and I'm gonna be basically just folding the laundry after Sydney goes to bed, folding laundry, putting it away, and kind of calling it quits as far as today goes. And then I'm really, I know I keep saying I'm really excited to get organized. I really am. I'm finding so much enthusiasm with it. I do have to take my trip to Goodwill, and I'm gonna continue to add things and declutter and whatnot, but I'll take you guys along the journey with me to finally get my house in order, hopefully. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Maybe you got some motivation. Let me know how you are feeling down in the comments down below. Are you feeling good now that Christmas is over? Maybe you've had a couple of days to rest. I know a lot of us have, you know, crazy houses after that, but that's okay. We are blessed to have these messes, right? So you guys will probably have one more video. I'm gonna try to get a video up for you Thursday, the 31st, New Year's Eve. Not that it matters for me because I'm doing nothing for New Year's Eve, but yeah, I'll try to get one more video up for you guys before the new year, and then I'll talk to you on Thursday in the video. Bye guys.